Mastering background properties, repeat, position and size. This is day 11, which is part 2 of mastering background properties. Hey CSS enthusiast, it's Krishna Sharma from Kredict and today is day 11 of our CSS background properties series. If you are eager to take your backgrounds to the next level, hit subscribe. In this second part, we will master the intricacies of background properties, positions and size. So, first we will recap from day 10 part 1. Before we dive into today's content, let's quickly recap what we covered in the last video, where we explored the foundational background properties of color and image. If you missed it, check it out for some exciting insights. So, first is background repeat. So, control the repetition of your background images with the background repeat property. It gives you flexibility to decide whether your image should repeat horizontally, repeat vertically, or not repeat at all. So, here we have this code snippet. So, first we will make a index file and a style file. Here we will write a background properties part 2. So here we will first link our CSS file. Just write link and CSS here over this and follow this link and create this file. And here in the indexer file we will make like box. So first we will give some properties to this box. Here we have this box. I will give a height 300 pixel and width 100% and give background image URL. Here we have a Kredict logo. We will give in the background this. So just write fav icon png. So here if I give background repeat in repeat x, so this will repeat in the direction of x. So if I just go like this, you can see x is repeating in the x direction. I hope you are getting this. If I write repeat, so it will, if I increase the height of it like 700, you can see it will repeat in the y and x direction both. So if I write no repeat, so repeat will not occur. I hope you are getting this. So here the background image in the section repeats only horizontally and also in vertically, and also we see not repeat at all. So in the second we have background position. Customize the placement of your background image with the background position property. You can precisely position the image where you want it. Here we have this code snippet. So here we made the box, just change the path of the image. So here we have a background image, this. We will place this image in the background. So just go and write bg jpj. So here you can see the background image is coming, but here we want to give a position to it. So we will just give here background position. So if here we give 30% and 60%. So the position is changed. So here we will give some customizing. So here we can customize this. We can just, with the help of this position, we can just use this. So I hope you are getting this. So in this example we have just used this. So if we use this top right, just copy this and use here, you can see the top right image is coming. I hope you are getting this. So next we have background size. Tailor the size of your background image with the background size property. It allows you to control how to image fit within its center. This is very amazing property. This will use you many times in your program. So here we will give background size cover. So your whole image will cover. I hope you are getting this. So if we give contain, you can see the change. Here the image is containing this, and if we give background repeat, no repeat, so image will not repeat. I hope you are getting this. Here the background image in the footer is set to the contain within its container. So if you master background repeat, position and size is elevating your design game, hit like and share your thought in the comments. Subscribe for more daily CSS insights. Tomorrow we will conclude our background properties series, so stay tuned. Thanks for joining me on day 11 part 2. I am Krishna Sharma from Kredict signing off. Keep coding, keep designing, and I will see you in the next video.